Hey, what's going on, guys? So I've been having a situation here with a car, and it's a 2008 Volkswagen Passat. I just bought the vehicle. I've been trying to see what's going on with it. The guy said it was the motor, so I figured, why not buy it, see what's up. It only has 100,000 miles on it. So as I keep digging into my head, when I bought the vehicle, I went into the computer and I started reading the codes here. Then I got a camshaft position code and also P0171. Seems like a leak somewhere. Hopefully not where the main seal is. So I figured to look around. I checked the timing belt itself. The belt's fine. It was so late that I just couldn't continue, so I just figured. I went to the next day, checked out the camshaft on the right side, which is the timing chain actually, and I noticed that the timing chain was broken. The timing chain was snapped off, and I was like, wow, maybe I could save this engine. So then I figured, I was like, oh, you know what, let me see if I can look up at the junkyard, see if I can find one, and see what happens. So then I figured I was just gonna check one out real quick. The first one I went to was this one here. This is the 2008. So I went over, I opened this one up. I'm not sure if you guys can see. Let's see, let me see if I can get a light there. You can see the timing chain. It's not even connected on this one. Sorry for my blurs here. The timing chain is not even connected, so I didn't even have to take it off. So I figured that's a common issue there. Luckily, I ran into this one. This one seems like it has brand new, what is that, evap system. I'm not sure, camshaft. But then this one has the chain right into it. It might be brand new. It looks pretty brand new. So hopefully I'm in luck. So I'm gonna see if that fixed it. Hopefully it didn't bend the valve on the the intake side, because that's the one that snapped. That's the one that couldn't keep going with it anymore. And that's the exhaust side moves the intake side so it can continue the cycle and keep going, you know. But just want to let you guys know, just check that out. Maybe you guys have a code for a camshaft or something, the car doesn't start, and just look into the diagnostics. Check it out. Thank you, man. Peace out.